I haven't actually done that video, and I'm thinking of doing it. So I might film that today. Halki, how did the idea of predicting the future from past data come? Why we believe that the previous things will guide us that will happen in the future, while the future can be totally opposite? Okay, I'm going to come back to that. Musha Fear says, hello, sir. Hello, Musha. I don't think I've seen you here before, so let us know where you're from. Okay, if anybody in the chat wants to take a stab at this question, this is quite the question. Why do we believe that the previous things will guide us that will happen in the future? So if anybody wants to tackle that in the chat, feel free to. I'm gonna say, I usually don't give my answer ahead of time because I don't want to bias the chat, but I don't know how many people in the chat are going to feel comfortable answering this on Palki. So I'll give you my view, and my view to you is the reminder. And by the way, I have this conversation with my clients all the time. Algorithms are not these thoughtful, individual, sentient beings, okay? Algorithms are math formulas. So algorithms do not give you the correct answer. They give you the most probabilistic answer. You need to burn that into your mind, because there will be many times in your career where an algorithm will be wrong and you will have to explain why it's wrong. And that's the reason, because it only gives you probabilistic answers. Okay? So, is it accurate to say that algorithms are predicting the future? Maybe, maybe not. You could say that they're not predicting the future, they're just giving you a likely answer, a likely view into the future, right?